get outside, get some sunlight, fresh air while you still can. It's almost winter. Winter is coming. Beautiful Lake Shawnee. When I climbed up here, it was cool, but then it started, wind really picked up, and I was like, damn, kind of up here precariously. If I fell down there, I would break something, for sure, for sure. I'm like, I don't know, 20 feet up? Yeah. That's a shirtless dude in the tree. Look at how beautiful the color these are. This is the Ted Ensley Gardens section of Lake Shawnee Park. Beautiful, really. Here we got some trails with benches and a little, I forget what that thing's called. You can sit under by the lakeside. Really beautiful place, really.